Our world is changing. Machines are learning to think. We call this artificial intelligence, or AI. In medicine, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. AI powers our entertainment, recommending movies and music tailored to our tastes. Self-driving cars, a futuristic dream just years ago, are becoming a reality, guided by the invisible hand of AI. These advancements are remarkable, even awe-inspiring. But they also raise important questions. How do these AI systems make decisions? Can we trust their judgment, especially when it impacts our health, our safety, our lives? AI systems often operate as black boxes. We know the information they consume and the decisions they produce, but the process in between remains a mystery. This lack of transparency is where AI explainability comes in. Imagine a doctor using an AI system to diagnose a patient. The AI suggests a treatment, but the doctor needs to understand why, to trust the AI's judgment and explain it to the patient. This is the crux of the issue. Without understanding how AI arrives at its conclusions, we're left with a sense of blind faith. We become reliant on systems without comprehending their inner workings, a potentially dangerous proposition. AI explainability aims to shed light on this black box, making the decision-making processes of AI systems transparent and understandable. For many of us, the inner workings of AI, with its complex algorithms and statistical models, feel as distant and inscrutable as the surface of a distant planet. This is where analogies can be powerful tools. Think of an AI system trained to identify different species of birds from images. The AI might not see a bird in the same way we do, recognizing features like feathers and beaks. Instead, it might focus on subtle patterns in the image, patterns that we might not even consciously perceive. Imagine this AI as a wine connoisseur. They don't just taste the wine, they experience it through a symphony of subtle flavors and aromas. They can detect hints of oak, cherry, or vanilla, nuances that escape the untrained palate. In this analogy, the AI, like the wine expert, relies on subtle cues and patterns to make its judgments. It's not simply seeing a bird, it's detecting a unique signature within the data, a combination of features that points to a specific species. The double-edged sword of analogy. Analogies, while useful, are not without their limitations. One person's insightful comparison can be another's misleading simplification. The subjective nature of analogies can lead to misinterpretations. Consider our wine connoisseur analogy. It helps us grasp the concept of AI detecting subtle patterns, but it might also lead to the misconception that AI experiences taste or smell like humans do. This is the inherent danger of analogies. They can oversimplify complex concepts, stripping away nuance in favor of relatability. We must tread carefully, using analogies as stepping stones to understanding, not as concrete representations of AI's inner workings. The key is to remember that analogies are tools, and like any tool, they can be used effectively or poorly. Striking a balance. Analogies as stepping stones. The quest for AI explainability is not about eliminating the complexity of these systems entirely. It's about building bridges of understanding between the intricate world of AI and the everyday users whose lives it impacts. Analogies, used thoughtfully and carefully, can be valuable tools in this endeavor. They provide entry points into complex topics, making them more relatable and less intimidating. Imagine trying to explain the concept of a neural network, a fundamental building block of many AI systems, without any analogies. The technical jargon and mathematical underpinnings would be overwhelming for most. But compare a neural network to the human brain, with its interconnected neurons transmitting information, and the concept becomes more accessible. We can visualize the flow of data, the strengthening and weakening of connections, the learning process that unfolds. A future of transparent AI. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into our lives, the need for transparency will only grow more critical. We deserve to understand the reasoning behind the recommendations we receive, the decisions that impact our health, the technologies that shape our future. Analogies, used responsibly, can be powerful allies in this journey towards AI explainability. They can help us demystify the black box, fostering trust and collaboration between humans and machines. In the end, the goal is not to simplify AI to the point of trivialization. It's about empowering everyday users with the knowledge and understanding to navigate this new world, a world where machines are not just tools, but partners in shaping the future. Thank you for your time. Please share your thoughts in the comments and share this video if you found it interesting.